This is the view from a train ride. As the train is moving, you are sitting still and looking outside. There are constantly new things flying by. New trees, new settings, new roads. All of them are passing. None of them stay permanently in your view. Now, forget all that you know about your life, all of your history, all your dreams and aspirations, and all of your likes and dislikes. I want you to focus on this one idea. Your mind is like this forest. There are constantly new things coming up, and all have your attention for a short time. None of them stay for long, but all of them seem real in the moment. Would you say that any of these trees characterize the whole forest? Would you say that any of the roads are typical for this forest in particular? Or, could these parts of the forest be anywhere else too? If you look more closely, you will see that all thoughts that appear in our mind could very well appear somewhere else. Anyone could experience these thoughts right now. So the point of this video is just a reminder that you do not have to take things in life so personal. If you experience negative thoughts in your mind, try seeing them just like these trees in the forest. You are like this train that is passing them. Your thoughts are here only for a short time. You do not have to take them to be permanent. All of them will pass by, sooner or later, depending on how fast you are leaving them behind. I hope that you find this little illustration helpful and maybe apply it to your own life, if you feel the need. Also, feel free to recommend this advice, if you think someone else might find it helpful. Thanks for listening, and enjoy the ride.